There is one hiring alert for all of you. So make sure that you watch the video till the end because I am going to tell you the ways that you can appear for this interview and get this freelancing job for 9 days. Okay, this is for 9 days and you can earn a very good amount. So we are looking for Japanese four interpreters. They are looking for. Okay, so there are four positions open available for you. So the budget is up to 16,000 per day. So this is up to 16,000. So it could be 15,000, 14,000, depends on your skills and how your interview goes. So make sure that you try to grab this opportunity because one day 16,000, 15,000, whatever is a good amount, I would say. Because if you calculate like 16,000. Okay, let's take 15,000 for now. And if you do multiply by 9, so in just 9 days, you can earn 1,35,000. So I think it's a very good opportunity. So this is INR, okay? Not yen, INR. So minimum certification required is JLPT N3. So if you are N4, N5, you can't apply. Okay, so you should be N3 and then you should have some experience in automotive manufacturing. Well, if you don't have experience in automotive manufacturing, then you should know about the terminologies, the vocabularies used in automotive manufacturing. Then you can send your resume to the mail ID that I'm going to share in just a bit. Okay, so other benefits, local transportation only. So only local transportation they will provide and not the interstate transportation because the working location is Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. So if you are from Delhi or from other states, then they will not provide the interstate transportation that you have to do it yourself. But that is also fine because let's say you are in Delhi and you have to go to Chennai. So it will take around 5,000, going and return. So 10,000 it will be done, but still you are having around 1,25,000 or if you get 16,000 per day, then you will have around 1,30,000. So it's fine. Okay. So this is the working location, Kanchipuram. And so if you are interested, then please share your resume with this person, Nitin Kumar, and mail ID is mentioned here. Okay. So make sure that you don't make any mistake. Don't write Nithin because when I was in Chennai, people used to call me. My name is also Nitin, so people used to call me Nithin. When they used to write my name, they used to write like Nithin, but not Nithin, but Nitin. So Nitin dot Kumar at pasona dot in. Okay. So as I already told you, the location will be Kanchipuram. Tamil Nadu, it's a very good location. I have stayed there for around 2 years. So you can apply for 9 days, though the duration will be from 8th of April to 19th of April. So you still have almost 20 days. So make sure the moment you see the video, just send your mail with the resume to this email ID and mention whatever details you have of yours. Okay. So all the best and apply and make sure that you share this video with the people who are in need of job and freelancing job so they can get benefit out of it. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and see you.